Okay, we are going to be grading the bottom section of page 83 about the Golden Gate Bridge. So we're looking for 8 capitalizations, 1 language usage, which remember is usually some kind of verb tense that's wrong. Only 2 commas in this one, 2 end punctuation, and 3 hyphens. And like I told you when we had that one on page 81 that had hyphens, on these, most of the time they're going to put some weird symbol in there that you know does not belong, and so that will help you find the 3 hyphens. Okay, so let's get started at the beginning. The Golden Gate Bridge has served as both a pedestrian and a vehicular crossing for more than a half century. So again, all along when we have seen the phrase Golden Gate Bridge, we have capitalized each word in that phrase because it's a proper noun, it's a specific bridge. And then the last thing in this one is this weird, who puts an equal sign in the middle of a word? No one. So we're going to insert the hyphen. Delete the equal sign and insert the hyphen. Next sentence. Its original purpose was to provide an economical, high-speed transportation link between the city of San Francisco and the county of Marin. In addition to accomplishing this goal, the bridge has become the symbol of San Francisco. Sounds like we need to cut off the sentence right here. It was kind of a run-on. And then looking back at that first sentence, again, with this greater than sign, does not belong. We're going to delete it and insert our hyphen. So, high speed transportation. High speed is an adjective, a hyphenated adjective that describes the transportation. Okay, and then San Francisco. I knew there was something I was looking at a minute ago. Another capitalization. San Francisco, and the county of Marin. This does not need to be capitalized. I should have done that a little further over. So that also counts as a capitalization error. County of Marin does not need to be capitalized, but the actual county does need to be capitalized. So if I said the county of Harris in Texas, county is not capitalized, Harris is capitalized. All right, next sentence. In addition to accomplishing this goal, the bridge has become the symbol of San Francisco. All right, so here we have our first comma. In addition to accomplishing that goal, because this phrase is not necessary, I could make a whole sentence without it. So it's an introductory phrase. And then this is my language usage. It should not be the bridge has became. The bridge has become. So that's my language usage, and I can go ahead and mark that off. Oh, and I did do one in punctuation. Let me get that on there. Okay, and then San Francisco needs to be capitalized. Next sentence. In fact, this spectacular structure is world renowned. First word of my sentence needs to be capitalized. And again, this little phrase, in fact, is not necessary. I could say, this spectacular structure is world renowned, and I could easily use that as a sentence without the in fact. It's a little tiny little introductory phrase. So I need a comma there, and that is the end of my commas. And then, again, this does not belong. The slash. That should be a hyphen. And that's my third hyphen. All right, we're almost done. Looks like we have one more capitalization and one more end punctuation we're looking for. So I hope we find them here. It is one of the most visited sites in the world. All right, first word of my sentence. Period at the end. I feel like that one was easy. I don't know about y'all. It was not that complicated. Okay, go ahead up here in the corner, right, minus however many you missed. so I can see that. And then since this is the last paragraph on this one, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to ask you to send me a copy of the front and the back, page 81 and 83, by Sunday at 4 p.m. so I can take a peek at it. Everyone have a great day. Bye.